Multiplying and dividing lengths. In this module, you will learn how to multiply and divide lengths. It's evening time and Sid, Alicia and Neil all are planning to go to a park for playing. Then Alicia asks Sid, "Can you find the distance between our home and the park?" Sid replies, "Yes, we can." He goes inside the house and takes out a ruler. Then he asks Neil to measure the length of his step. Neil finds the length of one step by measuring the length from heel of one foot to the toe of other foot by using the ruler, and he finds the length of Sid's one step is 20 centimeters. Now Sid tells Alicia that he takes equal steps to reach the park and asks her to count the total number of steps. Neil says he will count the number of steps, and he starts counting the number of steps as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Neil says to Sid that he takes total 250 steps to reach park from his home. Now Sid says he covers a distance of 20 centimeters in one step. So in 250 steps, he covers a distance of 250 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 5,000 centimeters, or we can convert into meters as 50 meters. In this way, Sid measures the distance between his home and park. At the park, Sid decides to play a game. He needs to distribute a string into 3 equal parts. Neil says he can distribute the string into 3 equal parts. Alicia asks Neil how he can do this. Neil explains, first, he needs to measure the total length of the string by using a meter scale string, which is found to be 2.40 meters. So 2.4 divided by 3 gives 0.8 meters, or we can convert it centimeters and write it as 80 centimeters. Neil says they can divide the given string into 3 equal parts of length 80 centimeters each. This string will be equally distributed into 3 parts if he divides the length of the string by 3. Let's recap. We can simply multiply or divide the measurement of length as we do in general for whole numbers. Do not forget to write the units after multiplication or division of lengths. We have to write the answer in the units in which we express it. Like we write 5,000 centimeters as 50 meters or 0.8 meters as 80 centimeters.